And June, look what I have here today. Yes, a package from the I got a mail from Best Buy today. A watch. Dear, this is Georgia's trailing 3-0 against Auburn. It's Best Buy. And I wonder what's inside the box. So, close your eyes. So I'm going to lap it just so, or slow. Your eyes do not. Let me see if I can open it up with my hands. I don't know who it. What's it be like? And again, see, here it is. It's an Xbox Series X. My new Xbox Series X. It says, which comes with Diablo game. It's a good game. It's a 1 terabyte SSD. This is good. I always won in 2 years. The 2 years Auburn got an interception. This is crazy. And so, look at that. So this is the side. And here's the box itself. It says Series X and it has a disk drive. So let's go put it on the bed. Hold on, let me get my phone and take a picture of it. Hold on, let me get a picture. Oh, very good. Here's the back. See the back? See, power your dreams. Game Pass. No, good stuff. So, just Xbox on the top. Now let's remove the top. Very good. And hope it'll. So we're gonna. So how many yards? See? Good. So now let's... Here it is. And now, here's the real box. And now, here comes the good part. Now we're going to take this off. See? It says includes console, wireless controller, ultra high speed HDMI. All right, take him down. It's all right. Come on, George. You can just keep putting pressure on Auburn right now. Sack him. Sack him. Now. You know, I saved up my money for this. I also tried buying them from Mercury for like 300 or something, and it was at stop, and it was just a scam. So, oh, I just see a score. Maryland scored touchdowns. You open the box. See, power your dreams. Here's the system itself. Oh. Whoa, looks pretty neat. It's a power button. There's a USB port. There's a nice. It's first and goal. This is where storage expansion goes, and so where's the controller? Might be in this part. Here's the HDMI cable. Because they just score, Auburn's just scored a touchdown. Here's the plug for it. So here's the controller. Look. Pretty neat. Looks very good. It's a high H and ultra speed. What? No, I am not sorry. Okay. Okay. Guys, sorry, that was my dad. My dad's telling dad, so I apologize for that. So yes, so looking very good right here. So, and so, where's the code that came with it? Oh, it's gotta be around here somewhere. I can't find the code. It came with a code. Maybe it's still in the box. Maybe. Don't know where the code is. Dear, I don't know where the code is. It came with a code. It says code is delivered directly to your system. What a great play for Georgia. It does not come with a code or something. I'm sorry. Oh. Oh. Oh, their box. Oh, good catch, Bowers. And there's the cables I got. And there's the cables right here. There's everything. So yeah. Well, so there you go, and there you have it. Xbox One system sells. So anyway, so that's it for this video, my unboxing video. they got first video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I might make a separate video how to do it. Rob, I think that depends how busy I am. So there you so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and bye.